Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my Splendies unboxing. I did rip this open because it was really difficult to open, so I just did it off camera. This is the first time I have ever seen them put anything on like the package other than the shipping label. So that is interesting. I don't know if it has anything to do with me or whatever. It just says Jules Small AT. So I don't know. Inside here we do have the super cute little wrapping paper, which is different this month than it was last month, which I think last month's was also different than the month before. So maybe they're doing different colored papers now, which is cool. It always comes with the super cute little sticker. And for those of you who don't know, Splendies is an underwear subscription. It is 3 pairs of underwear every month for like $13.99. And they have different size options, and then they have like a random, so you get like, you know, different pairs of underwear, like different styles, bikini, cheeky, thong, boy short, whatever. Or you can do an all thong subscription. I typically do the all thong subscription. That is what this month is. I did do a random 1 month just to like show you guys, and because it never hurts to have a couple different types of underwear. And I'll probably do another one of those in a month or two just to kind of mix it up. But this month is the all thong, and I love Splendies. It has been probably my favorite subscription that I've ever had in my life, just because it really takes the joy out of underwear shopping. And by joy, I mean the hassle, the expense, the awkward, I'm not trying to buy underwear while this guy is standing over here staring at me buying underwear, out of the whole equation, which is super nice. So without further ado, let's get into it. Also, I'm sorry if I'm kind of like a breathy. I am pregnant, so I run out of breath kind of easy. That's why it's taking deep breaths and stuff. So I apologize about that. Right, so we just get into this. I just sort of like ripped it open. And I always try to keep this paper as nice as possible, because then I reuse paper as like packing material when I send my sister stuff. So opening it up, this is what it looks like. I'll just pull out the little group here. So this is kind of like the little folded group it comes in. And let's see what we've got. I see a lot of like cute little pastel-y colors, which is exciting. So the first one is this super cute, it's like shiny purple with like little stripes on it and a really cute little velvety pink bow. It has lace on the sides, and the back is obviously just like that, but nice coverage. Really cute. It says it's by the Wilshire, Montana Intimates. I always get size small for reference. And this one says, for the lady who has it all. And the MSRP is $12 on this, so that's the suggested retail price. Which, like I said, they usually list the MSRP on them, and they're all kind of usually around $10 to $13, which you're getting 3 pairs for $13.99 with free shipping, which is an amazing deal. Like, you don't get that from the mall. You don't get those prices, not for the quality that you're getting. So this first one is a hit. It is soft, but not like silky, but it's really cute. So I'm excited about that. The second one is like one of my favorites to get in here, which is just this nice like light purple. It's actually kind of sparkly. I don't know if you guys can tell that, but it is the front, the back. Step back a little bit so you can kind of see. It is the Splendies one in small with the MSRP of $12, and these are my favorite to get, just as far as like having this type of thong, because it is like the seamless kind of ones, which just go really nicely under dresses, which are a big thing for me right now in summer being pregnant. So it's really nice to just have like these really sheer, just nice ones to put on. So yeah, and again guys, I cannot stress the quality of the underwear that you get. I literally have basically thrown out almost all of the other types of underwear that I had. One, because I'm really bad about getting rid of underwear, you know, You're supposed to change them out, not keep them for years and years, even when they're falling apart. But, you know, I always just felt like, oh, I'm spending so much money on these, like, I'm gonna get every use out of them I can. Now that I've been getting Splendies, it is like so worth it to me to get rid of old underwear, to just have room for this new stuff that actually fits well, it is comfortable, it works nicely under so many types of clothing, and it makes me feel good. And I don't know about you, maybe it's just a girl thing, maybe it's just me, but when I have on cute underwear, it makes me feel like my whole outfit is like a little bit cuter, even if I'm just wearing like a t-shirt and shorts, because I know I have on cute underwear. Last but not least is probably my favorite design from this package. It is this really cute, like corally orange string one. And then it is lacy with a little bow, with lots of little like tropically colors, very summery and cute. And then the back is like that, just so you guys can kind of see. And it is super cute. I love this. Again, I choose the all thong version because I prefer thongs. They're cute and comfortable to me. I know not everybody feels that way, but they do have other types of underwear that are also cute. I have gotten them before. They're very comfortable. They're very awesome. You should definitely go for it. This one is the Love Libby XO brand. It doesn't have a suggested MSRP. It just says that it was originated from Portland, Oregon. But again, $13.99 for 3 pairs of underwear. You cannot beat that. Like, I don't care who you are. These are all just so cute, so pastel-y, so soft. The quality is so good. Like, literally, if buying underwear is the bane of your existence, or if you're just like me and you just love having, you know, a good amount of underwear because you never know, you know, what's gonna happen. Being a girl, sometimes things happen. It is so worth it. You should definitely check out Splendies. This video is not sponsored or anything by them. I pay my own money to get my own underwear. I do their unboxing every single month, and it is honestly my favorite package. It is so hard for me to wait to open it with you guys, because as soon as I get it, I want to open it right away and just see how cute the underwear is and be excited. And like, honestly, I get excited to show them to my husband, to be like, I put them on and then, you know, show him like, ooh, look at my cute new underwear. Isn't it cute? Because it's nice to feel cute and to have good quality, because sometimes you have to give up one to have the other, and that's just crappy, especially for something that sits so close to important things for you. But that is all for the rant on my underwear is important. And that is my Splendies. Do you guys get Splendies? If you do, let me know in the comments below. Do you guys get the all thong option or the regular one? Send me a picture of what you guys get or what you got this month. Because, you know, maybe you get all thongs, but you got different options than me. That'd be cool. I don't know if they do that, but who knows? I love what I get every month, so let me know down below, like, what you guys think or what you get. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.